On Friday, New York judge rejected former President Donald Trump and his joint defendants' demand for a mistake in the case of $250 million civilian business against them. Arthur Engoron, judge of Supreme Court of Manhattan, said that arguments were completely unjust for a mistrial, refused to sign defendants' proposal for trial movement. 2 days after Senior Donald Jr.'s lawyers, organization and senior executives Eric argued that the case was weakened by political prejudice. Defense lawyers claimed that Engoron and his main law officer stained these trials and only one wrong grant could save the rest of the rule of law. However, in decision of Friday, Engoron objected to each claim of prejudice and made it clear that he was planning to chair the case until conclusion. Trump's lawyer Alina Habba said in a statement, "As expected, the court refused to take responsibility for not being able to preside this case impartially and impartially." The lawsuit brought by the New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James accuses Trump's values of real estate properties and other assets for years of inflation for years to obtain defendants' tax advantages, better credit conditions and other financial advantages. The hearing without a juri will determine the penalties and will solve James' other false claims by Trump and its common defendants. The Court of Appeal temporarily paused the Trump's process of solving business assets. In decision of Friday, Engoron passed all the claims of defendants for a mistrial and explained why each one was merit. Defense lawyers pointed out articles that Engoron connected to in the Alumni Bulletin and claimed that they created an inappropriate appearance because they were related to case. Engoron said, "What he has not written or contributes to any of the articles focused on the defendants. And no reasonable reader can think otherwise." Engoron said. In addition, he and his clerk shrugged their shoulders that he wrote judging together. "My decisions are mine and mine alone." Katip became a criticism target that Engoron applied gag orders that prevented both Trump and his lawyers from commenting on him. Trump violated the narrow gag twice and received a total of $15,000. A New York appeal judge temporarily suspended these gag orders by specifying the constitutional and legal rights in question on Thursday. Defense lawyers also provided that the clerk's existence in the case for a mistrial had damaged his integrity because of their contributions to Democratic groups, including some. They also accused of contributing through a 500 limit, which was valid for members of a New York judge personnel. However, Engoron said that Trump's lawyers ignored that he was a candidate for the clerk's judicial office, and therefore he was not bound to the 500 border while contributing to his own campaign or buying tickets for political functions. Engoron said that it is absurd to assume that clerks participate